What's going on, gang? We're gonna go over today's price action. I did not trade today. I was planning on trading FOMC, but as you can see here, this is hot garbage. So price wasn't moving as swiftly as I assumed, like previous FOMCs. But I will say, today was good price action. Maybe not the best, but something that could be spotted, something that could be capitalized on. I just wasn't there for it. Very unfortunate. So what? But let's start out on the daily here, and we can see that ES actually took out all-time highs. So ES took out all-time highs. Where else does that lead us? Short. So I would have looked for shorts today, and I had already went over this previously, so. But we can see it, NASDAQ did not take out all-time highs. So ultimately, shorts were the answer for today. Price was in a very bullish trend here on the 4-hour and on the 1-hour until about market open. Price came down and broke 1-hour structure. But if we zoom in and we can look at the 15-minute here, we have these highs, London and Asia high, and we could have targeted Asia low here. If we zoom in and we can let's go ahead and just do this here. So right here, we have this 15-minute high up here. We have price retracing into 15-minute equilibrium, or 1-hour equilibrium, sorry. And that's upon market open. Market open rips up and takes out a high, right? On ES, takes out this 15-minute high that we had marked out here, right? So we're getting an SMT off of ES. And so I would have wanted to see some type of inverse or break of structure on the 1 minute now. So we can go on the 1 minute and see. Boom. You see that? Break of structure. And inverse would have been this candle right here. So we got this inverse on this gap here. So we got the inverse, we got the break of structure, and we got an SMT from this high down to this high, up to this high, right? So I would look for shorts, TP down here. I've been trading on a combine, so I probably would get out a lot earlier than that, but we can trade this. Risk is up here, and I probably would have honestly cashed out around here instead of down here, because this don't want to go past that 50% consistency rule. So it probably would have been right down to these lows, and you can just see how easy price comes down. Boom, would have been out, right? So that would have been the trade I would have taken. My friend TJ actually did take this trade, but he got stopped at break even. But I was talking to him this morning, and I wasn't seeing where he was at, because when I looked at my phone this morning and looked at market open when I woke up, I wasn't seeing that ES did take out those previous day high, or not previous day, but all-time highs. And I was just asking him, I was like, where's the high time frame manipulation, blah blah blah, because I'm not seeing it on London, I'm not seeing it on Asia, I'm not seeing any 1-hours get swept on either index. But then I saw that we did sweep out all-time highs on ES, so that would have been my sweep of liquidity. And then from there, the retracement and the SMT. So like up here, we got the retracement, we got retraced in this 15-minute gap here, and we got the SMT from this high to this high, right? this high up to this high, and did retrace into this 15-minute gap that was already mitigated, already filled, but we are in an equilibrium on the 1 hour here, right? You could say we're in equilibrium on the 15-minute here. You know, there's a lot of options. There's a lot of all you gotta need to know is that it retraced and it manipulated a lower time frame high, and then we would look for entries upon here, within here. We found it, we saw it, and yeah, I mean, as choppy as it does look, which it was because FOMC was today, it was choppy, but that's all right. Doesn't affect me. I didn't even take a trade, so. But you can see down here, FOMC started here, 2:30. Powell got on, and this is all that really happened. I was looking for shorts, honestly. I saw that price come into this 1 hour gap up here, and wanted to see price reverse off of it. So we did get this, right? And a 1 hour. I don't think we manipulated this high, but I did see price come into this here. I wanted to see price come above this high and take it out and then reverse, but it was just really slow. FOMC was not FOMC today. That's all I gotta say. It's really slow, so didn't get to capitalize anything. But that's all I got for you guys today. And again, didn't take any trades. Just I wasn't planning on trading market open today. Was planning on trading FOMC. It was just a very choppy day, as you can see on the 5-minute, 15 minutes. Pretty choppy. Not a lot of gaps, a lot of wicks. So, anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we get something better than this. But anyways, peace.